The following video shows a mobile platform for the prototype design discipline oriented by Professor Elio Peckelman. Before talking about our prototype, let's quickly address the importance that this topic caused in the industry. With the revolution of Industry 4.0, a modern form of transportation emerged that was different from the manual form made by the employees. Mobile platforms, the most well-known of the AGV and MR types, have advantages such as safety, versatility, continuous operation, etc. The organization of this group was made using a tool called Trello.
We brainstormed ideas and thought the best would be to use out 2 wheels at back and 1 caster wheel in the front. To turn the speed of the rear wheels would be different, and pick it up the object we used to use a scissors mechanism. The prototype we developed was made with the objective of transporting an object that is supported 250 mm from the ground, with a mass of approximately 8 kg. After being lifted, we moved 1 meter forward. After that, we rotate so that it continues 2 meters onward. To finish, we will rotate it again for another 2 meters downward. When we arrive at its destination, we will move until into the proper position.
The scissor mechanism is made up of bars and also shafts with a diameter of 9.5 to 5 mm attached by housings. A threaded bar is present and the mechanism works that way. We can also see how the motor was fixed and a shelving bracket to help that.
All scissors axes were fixed by retaining rings externally and by spacers internally. The prototype support of the piece was fastened by screws and received relief, together with the MDF blocks to reduce the material consumption. Most of the fixings were made using screws, with the exception of the box, which is made of MDF, being put together by using glue in the teeth of the MDF. For the speed regulation of the mobile platform, it was decided for a gear ratio of 3:1. With a 16-tooth pinion and a 48-tooth gear, sufficient to lift the speed on the wheel of 0.21 meters per second. In this assembly, the wheels were fastened by screws in the gear, while the motor transmits the torque through a coupling, in which the pinion is screwed.
The technical drawing was done on sheet A0, following the technical standards A, B, and T. A front view, 2 side views, and a sectional view were placed to detail the project, and also a list of material. The maximum height with the scissor mechanism working is 280 mm. With the mechanism retracted, the maximum height is 248. The maximum width is 467.61 mm, and the maximum length is 320 mm.